no? Kaya syempre naghahanap tayo ng alternative to experience that, 'di ba? Pero syempre sa ibang tao na parang they are eager talaga no to collect game. Ayan, wala tayong wala tayong waiting screen dito, no? Wait lang.
Where'd you get something like this?
I grabbed it from a Western munitions armory. It probably used to belong to one of your officers.
Hindi lang monetary, let's say sabihin natin na parang ano din, yung exposure din ba, no? Yung parang image ng company as a whole. Ang ginagawa nilang as a commodity. So that's why nagre-raise siya ng price, no? Because of the demand. Kasi ganun nag-work eh. Ganun nag-work ang commodity. Kapag mataas ang demand,
maybe if I line it up exactly with where it was taken, my focus can fill in the rest.
Nakakatingin snake.
of 10 tapos baglang 2 weeks after 7, ano na lang, nasa na yung credibility doon, di ba? Nasa na yung credibility doon pag ganyan, black.
Must signal readiness. Yea, for as the first...
Shut up. Why the delay?
The Tanakh are a tribe composed of 3. How many banners do you see?
told that Adam has infiltrated Vulcan's ranks. I've also arranged for him to provide you with an escape route. You'll need to rendezvous with him when you get there.
Tapos yung game trailers, sila to dati. Tama ba? Sila to dati. Hindi ako naka-live sa YouTube. Kasi I try to upload this.
What's the matter?
We're surrounded. I see 4 of them.
Lang halos wala akong experience, no, to work with, pero ayun nga, at least dito sa atin, no, Japanese, no, I also have experience working with Japanese. So yun nga,
The mask of this island must be represent the dead.
Paramedic.
Snake, it's so good to hear from you again.
Same here. It's been a week, hasn't it?
4 days.
Chain lens. Ayun!
I was a little too close to the blast.
What happened?
We were blasting in the farthest tunnel, but the scaffolding didn't hold. It collapsed. I think it blocked the drainage.
Time to get Ulvin to...
First, open the survival viewer with the start button. If you select cure, you can start the treatment.
PS3. I played Far Cry. Shooter din siya, first person, 'di ba? Saka yung mga Call of Duty during the PS3 days like Black Ops. Working citizens dito, no? At least ng mga ng mga weebs, no, or mga geek or ng mga nerds. 'Di ba? Dati siguro nung pag sinabi
Use extra caution.
May trophy din pala sa DLC.
Here, please accept this token of gratitude. You've done the Sundom and my sanity a great service. And I believe we have some matters to discuss.
Pecha de peligro, no? And usually kapag ganyang pecha de peligro, diyan masarap uminom, no? Diyan masarap uminom.
Come out and play. Get him.
Record na yon, hindi siya shared sa lahat sa atin. Di ba? Kumbaga parang kunyari, sino ba yung mga kliyente ng bangko na to? No? Ano ba yung mga transaction?
Then die.
DRM is that tinatry nilang i-protect yung content, no, yung laman ng game mismo itself, diba? So instead
Hello, good afternoon, Jerome.
ano to? Tataya ko ang mga itlog ko at mga taba. Ay, grabe siya. Ng atay. Para daw manalo ang Wukong. Ay, China number 1 si Sir, no? Or hindi agad dumarating sa inyo. So now, what I'm trying to do is to share the stream. Diba?
Roland?
You've heard of him,
Yeah.
but he's a story. Best.
Ito. So, check ko lang, no? Mini-make sure ko lang kung na-redeem ko nga yung Castlevania. So, nandiyan. Kaya block na agad yan, no? Unsubscribe, report. Diba? Report agad.
But no one's allowed in or out before an embassy. Now we're open.
Where if he's...
I'll
We'll see about it.
this way.
A lot of activity going on.
Boss fight this.
Though, should anyone ask, it might be...
We've got company. It's the Ocelot unit. Let's get out of here. Hurry.
Oh,
Have a cigar. It's Cuban. This morning, I had a meeting with the CIA.
You gonna make it?
You're going on without me, aren't you? Aloy.
Mirror light. Last part of the Sundom before the Forbidden West. Kaja Horn.
naman. Wala, sadali. Alright. ASG, UK, tsaka JP. So, dito ka muna, Beth. Utang na loob, no? Oh, Daniel Digat Santos. Hello, sir. What?
Okay, the snake lecture.
So this is the legendary boss.
Pinaka-latest, if you want to revisit that, so kailangan natin ng version control para i-keep track yung history ng changes na yun. Diba? So, dati kasi wala pa.
I've been waiting for this moment.
They need cover! Cover fire!
We can't prove our innocence.
Then I will be unable to restrain the military. I will be ousted, and they will seek their revenge.
A nuclear attack.
What a thrill with darkness and
One hit delete.
From the id. The special effects they use for the science stuff were really neat. I wish I had a robot like Robbie that could make anything I wanted it to.
I'm more interested in that invisible monster.
Malaki siyang undertaking, to be honest. Especially kung halimbawa, sabihin natin kay Sony or kay Nintendo, na parang bibigyan nila ng attention or care.
Wala kang work, sir. Walay, sir. Sa Crimson Butterfly yung pinakamadayang Type 7. Ang lakas ng damage kahit hindi ka na magpalit ng film.
So, basta yun, medyo mahaba na eh. Parang nag-overstay na nga yung parang buffer. No? That's why yung mga nasa upper ups.
Maburat kayo ha. Ayun to mga to. Multo na nga kayo. Namamalo pa kayo.
malaki siyang undertaking, to be honest. Especially kung halimbawa, sabihin natin kay Sony or kay Nintendo, na parang bibigyan nila ng attention or care.
Naked, just as your name implies.
Great. Now I see why you asked me if I like snakes. I suppose calling me Snake was your idea of a joke, too.
No, there's a good reason for that. I'll tell you later.
Oh, mga bitches.
Ganun sa Hong Kong, no? I mean, yun din yung first country na napuntahan ko or outside the Philippines, no? So, SG, okay din sa SG, no? I mean, mga Asian
coming from the mainland, opening the cargo route to the public.
Pero hindi kami yung tipong nagstay talaga. Siguro parang mga 10 PM uwian na, no? So, curfew daw. Naka-time loop daw kasi.
Payload oxygen supply is nominal. Power supply to payload anti-free system shows no problems. No gusts. All systems go for drone detachment.
Choshiro na naman. Sa kanya pala naputol yung ano. Boss fight si Choshiro, ah.
Hey, this works.
Mabilis lang yung isang chapter, eh.
Pinaka NFT. Kasi yung valid key, no, yung minint ni Sony, yun yung kailangan meron ka. So ngayon, ang tanong, sino ang magme-maintain ng marketplace?
Well, I'm Eva. Are you here to tempt me?
What happened to Adam?
Ang ina mo, Petra, asan ka na?
I know that look. You've got all the parts, haven't you?